You're not teenager anymore. Pinakaka pa ni Dre. Kuya, you're one of a kind. This kuya that
Nasa yung day to day.
ever had.
So, pagkuan ba? Pati yung...
Thank you for everything. For
Mo to, pinala din
friendship,
sila
kuya,
na.
to us.
Parang, abi na mo si...
Sabi ko to.
Ang number 7.
You are-
Mo to, pati mo.
Always.
Mo to, pagkahuman.
Ano ka, be? Kay dante ka.
Di.
Hindi ko, Mark.
Nga man niya, nagsumpay. Ana ba?
Ano, Deray. Deray. Nga, isa ka na. Manana. Deray.
Nasa po na niya.
Hindi, dahil mo to, ha?
Kuya, you're one of a kind best kuya that I've ever had. Yeah. Dere, kutok.
Deray, thank you.
Thank you for
Everything for the time, friendship, kuya to us. Even though you're a brother, you're still there for us.
Di, manggod ang pagsuwat ng dere gut.
Your brother, you're still there for us to give advice. I love you, pinakalit kuya. Anak, akong kuya na madlongon, kiat, pasaway, in short, naatan ng kabuwan. Lisa ning anak ka kuya, we will always love you. From the bottom of our hypothalamus of kasing-kasing na pirate